Hi everyone, now I'm gonna show you, the first video was showing you guys how to make these fans and how I fan them, how I do the pinching technique, and some tips on my tweezers, the ones I like, the one I used to have, the glue cup as well. And then now we're gonna move on. After you've trained your fans, you're gonna train how to wrap them. So wrapping, having a good wrap technique will help your retention to go from like 1 week to 3-4 weeks if you have good technique. Okay, so this is something you're gonna master with time. I took some time as well to learn, but the faster you learn, the better. Let me just try to like find a way here to make this thing easy. Okay, so you guys don't have to really see how I fan. If you want to see, you can go to the other video. But this, I just put on a cup lid. You can also use the cup, and you're just gonna pull your own hair. And well, not pull your hair, you can just, go with your fingers through your hair, and then when a hair gets stuck between your fingers, then you just use that one. You don't have to pull your hair. You can cut a piece of your hair as well if you want. And then you're gonna tape, and then we're gonna use that as if it was a lash. The reason why we use hair is because hairs have like their own like properties and fibers and wait, I have to concentrate now. Yeah, so they have their own properties that are similar to the lash, and their texture, their pores. So it's more similar to lash than you're just doing on the plastic. So what we're gonna do, we want the lashes all to wrap around our hair to give it the best retention problem. My hair, I think, is a little bit too loose, so I'm not able to put too much pressure. Let me try make it tighter. Okay, I'm trying like this. You have to be very fast because if the glue dries, then you can't wrap it anymore. So the glue has to be fresh. Let me try to zoom in more for you guys to see, because I don't know if you can see like this. Okay, let's try like this. Okay. This one is not, I don't think it's that wrapped. This one is not that good. You have to tape the hair really tight, so you can wrap, you can put some pressure on it. Yes, this one is better. Not good enough. Okay, this one was better. So you can put pressure downwards, or a lot of lashes I go from the bottom up. And then, well, the direction of this one is not great because the hair here is too loose, so it's moving a lot. But you see like it's wrapped in between the lashes there. It's not just attached on the top or on the side. It goes in between, so the extensions are hugging the hair, the natural hair, and then will give a much better retention. It's much harder for it to just pop off when people are like brushing their lashes, or if it gets stuck on pillowcase or whatever. This one is getting better. No, this one, no, didn't work. It's okay, guys. Even with our clients, sometimes, some days I just, oh my God, I think I'm gonna lose my mind because things are not just, lashes are not lashing, glue is not gluing. Yeah, this one is better, you see, so it went in between, because this is a beginner glue, so it dries so slow. So it already moved. Wait, let me try again. The one, the wrapping was good, but the glue was still wet. Yes, perfect. Come on, stay perfect, please. Yay! Cute. So this one is like a micro movement, guys, like just pulling, like pushing it through the side or the bottom. I really like, oh, this glue is not great. I really like doing it from the bottom. From the top, I don't like so much because I cannot really see what's going on, and then sometimes the base can be lifted. But I really like from the bottom because I can see better, or from the sides as well. Like this one, yay, this one was good too. But this glue takes so long to dry, Jesus Christ. Yeah, so this is a good, you can put like multiple strands of hair here and do that until you practice with a real like model, a real person. I'm just pinching, hand making my fans. Also, hand making your fans is important because you can customize it to your client's lashes. So some people have like more lashes on one area than the other. So areas that are like have less natural lashes, you can make like bigger fans to compensate, you know, to be balanced on the areas that they have a lot of lashes, or vice versa, like areas that have a lot of lashes, you will put like smaller fans so it doesn't look too full like compared to the rest of the set. You see here, very good retention. You can pull, they don't come out. It's quite hard to make them come out actually. That was great. It was really nice and wrapped. This one too, look. Ooh, come on. Oh my god. Look, it's wrapped inside. So that's a really good sign. This one as well. Look, you see? Very good sign. Yeah, so you guys can try that at home. Let me know if that helps. And you can watch my other video about fanning. This is the tweezer I use now, but usually I use this one. I prefer like a thinner tip for my my tweezer, and I also like the fiber tip. It gives me more grip, especially when you're doing the removal of the grown outs. So I'd really recommend that for you guys. And leave in the comments if you have any questions or if there's any video of anything you want to learn, and I'll make a video like that for you. And you can watch other videos that I have here on my channel already about lash, about business, about, you know, working for yourself. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.